Alright, what's up everyone? Recording with my new camera, Panasonic FZ1000 number 2, second gen. So I'm just working with what amount of battery capacity it has, because I just took it out the box, charged it for a couple hours. As well as the storage, the memory card I have, it's not the best, so I'm not sure how this video will come out on the other end, you know. So we're unboxing the Rode NT USB Mini, this USB microphone. That's for my setup. I'm gonna do some voice recording for a few assignments in an art class, digital art, sound art. Anyway, let's get to it. That's the only reason I have this. I mean, maybe I'll use it for like voiceovers on videos one day. You will be hearing my voice as a test for this video. So let's get started. Let's show you around the outside the box, the picture of the microphone, what it can do, or different features of it. Studio quality, headphone output, USB connectivity, detachable desk stand, built-in pop filter. Some more technical details on the back, what's included. You can have a closer look at that. And then what's in the box. And a picture of somebody using it. Okay, all the standard stuff. Oh, different version here, a black and white version. The logo, same technical details, as well as the same features. So let's open it up and see what we get. Instructions, packaging. Let's not grab that yet. USB-C cable. Oh, you're supposed to just take the entire thing out. Yeah, because the microphone's just right there. But the box is put together a little too well. And there it is. Didn't want to grab it because I didn't want to bend the grill. Here it is. Yeah, there is a headphone output. Not going to use it probably. Have a headphone amp already. There it is, the good stuff. And just the microphone, the headphone jack, as well as the USB. Oh, it really is detachable. Don't pull too hard on that. The stand is detachable, and you can mount it to a boom arm or something like that. Yeah. I think you're supposed to just dig this out to use actually push it out to use the adapter. I think that is the adapter. Or is the adapter somewhere else? Now, I don't use a boom arm, so I wouldn't really know. Oh wait, the adapter's in here. Okay. So here's the cable. And here's that little adapter you'd screw into here. Like so. Then let's just reinstall this. Get it right. Pop that back on the stand. Doesn't exactly feel the most stable to me, but hey, you're just gonna leave it on your desk. What's there? What need is there to be? So there it is. I'm going to plug it in to my computer and see what audio quality can record it. I didn't read the technical details, and it doesn't say anything about audio quality. So let's plug in and find out. So both the audio quality of the microphone as well as the headphone output, just to see if I would want to use that for maybe low power headphones. Ones that don't require too much power. Okay, I heard it. So if I press this, microphone to headphone. Oh, you can listen to yourself. There's no, like, I don't think there's a quick mute button anywhere. I can't find it. So this is if you want to hear yourself. Okay, I guess mute it by unplugging it. That's a faster way of doing it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you my screen in a second. So there's the sound settings. So it's already picking up on the Rode NT USB Mini, and it can record at 24-bit, 48,000 hertz. So I'm speaking to it right now. If I turn up the volume on the headphone, that doesn't affect the volume. Wait, is it affecting the volume it records at, or is that just the headphone volume? So it's all the way down right. No, it does not affect the volume it records at. So there really isn't much customizability on the microphone itself, but from the Windows settings, as you can see that, ooh, it's completely out of focus. Sorry. That looks better. If you can see that bar jumping up and down, that's because you're hearing what I'm saying to the microphone. Alright, let's have a look at the headphone output on the NT USB Mini. 2 channels, 24-bit, 48,000 hertz. Okay, so same quality that it records at. But we're going to go back to what I was using before. So I'm going to record a voice sample through this microphone, not through my camera, and I'll just play it back right now. Alright, come on, focus camera. There you go. I've been using this for a few months. Got it in July. Now it's December 1st. It is December 1st. So I've been using it for a few months. Done a few projects with this actually. No voiceovers for videos actually, but for projects, school projects. Some classes require projects. Thankfully no group project. I don't work very well in groups. Anyway, I did voiceovers for those. They sound very good. I will be doing a sample voiceover in a hopefully quieter environment, and I will be playing that in this video, so you will hear it. Right now I'm actually recording with another Rode mic. This one's the Video Micro. It's on my camera. Yeah, there you go. That one's that's sitting on my camera. I'm not recording with this one. So you will hear a slight voiceover over a picture of this thing. It'll be like 10 seconds long, 15 seconds. And it will be placed right here. Hopefully the environment's a bit quieter when I do that. And it'll be directly in front of me, not off to the side here. I do leave it off to the side here when I'm doing Zoom meetings and stuff like that. So, I mean, they don't need to hear the best quality of my voice, right? But anyway, there it is. That voiceover you hear would either be before this or during this or after this. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. I don't even know what I said before this segment. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so I'm kind of in the quietest spot in my house at the moment to do a voice over with the Rode USB mic. I can't remember exactly. Is it NT USB Mini? I think. So here is a quick voice test with it. Might be a slight bit of echo. This room doesn't have any acoustic foam. Yes, I know it's quite popular in a lot of YouTubers, studios and stuff like that because it adds to the aesthetic. But I don't have any at the moment because it'll make my room look a little weird. Anyway, the device I'm recording this onto is an iPhone 15 Pro. I'm recording this over the USB-C connection. I mean, that is the only connection. This mic doesn't have like XLR or quarter inch or any of that. There's a 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter jack, but I think that's a headphone jack. So here's a voice test in the quietest spot I can find so that there are no other noises out there. So I know this video took me like 8 months to make, mainly because I keep putting it off. Or is it less than 8 months? Whatever. Okay, more like 6 months. Got it in July. I'm going to publish it sometime in February. Or March, depending. Whatever. It'll still be in 2024. So, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.